Welcome to the best pick. The best smartwatches is probably one of the most versatile and indispensable gadgets in our modern lives, seamlessly blending cutting-edge technology with everyday functionality to keep us connected, informed, and on track with our health and fitness goals. From tracking our steps and heart rate to receiving notifications and even making contactless payments, these wrist-worn wonders have evolved far beyond simple timekeeping, offering a personalized and convenient extension of our smartphones and a powerful tool for managing our busy schedules and well-being. Number 5. Bopomofo Stylus Pens for Touch Screens. Introducing the Bopomofo Stylus Pens, designed for a seamless writing and drawing experience. Enjoy precision with interchangeable nibs, ensuring accuracy without damaging your screen. These styluses work with virtually any capacitive touchscreen device. From iPads and iPhones to Android tablets and smartphones, they offer broad compatibility for all your devices. The soft fiber tip glides smoothly across your screen, providing a natural writing feel. It's designed to protect your screen from scratches while you create. No complicated setup required. Simply pick up the stylus and start writing, drawing, or gaming instantly. It's ready to use right out of the box. Crafted from lightweight alloy, these styluses feel comfortable in your hand, like a traditional pencil. Available in a variety of attractive colors, they make a great gift. What we like. Experience seamless writing and drawing with this stylus. Its smooth fiber tip ensures no screen damage and offers dual nib sizes for precision. If you're looking for a universal stylus that works on almost any touchscreen device without any setup, this is the one for you. What people say. The product is very easy to assemble and use. The design is sleek and modern, fitting well with any decor. It offers multiple functions that are very convenient for daily tasks. Number 4. eXtremeRate DIY Replacement Shell for Nintendo Switch. Relive the nostalgia with this classic 1989GB DMG-01 style replacement shell. It brings back the iconic look you love. This custom-designed housing is made to perfectly fit your Nintendo Switch and Switch OLED models. It ensures precise cutouts for all functions. Tired of the standard look? This unique case allows you to add much more personality to your game controller, making it stand out. Experience a great, smooth grip that feels soft and silky in your hand. It's designed for comfort during long gaming sessions. Enjoy extended gameplay without worry. The anti-slip design ensures a firm grip, keeping your hands sweat-free. Installation requires moderate electronic modification experience. A detailed video guide is available on YouTube to help you through the process. What we like. Relive the 80s with this retro-styled replacement shell. Its soft touch finish provides a comfortable, non-slip grip for extended gaming sessions. If you're a gamer who loves a nostalgic feel and wants to give your Switch controller a unique personality, this custom housing is a fantastic choice. What people say. The product is very easy to use and set up. The design is sleek and modern, fitting well with my home decor. The features are comprehensive and meet all my needs. Number 3. Briogeo Style Plus Treat Hair Styling Sleek Stick. Tired of flyaways ruining your perfect hairstyle? Introducing a revolutionary styling solution designed to keep your hair sleek and smooth all day long. Achieve polished, smooth styles with ease. This lightweight balm effortlessly controls frizz and flyaways, giving you a flawless finish. Enjoy a natural look and feel without any heavy residue. Its featherlight formula provides hold and shine without weighing your hair down. Experience the best of both worlds with our clean beauty approach. It's formulated without silicones, making it a vegan and cruelty-free choice for your hair. This compact styling stick is your new secret weapon for on-the-go touch-ups. Keep it handy for instant sleekness whenever you need it. Get ready to love your hair again. Achieve beautifully smooth styles that last, all while using a product that's kind to your hair and the planet. What we like. Achieve sleek, polished hairstyles effortlessly with this finishing balm. It tames flyaways and smooth styles without weighing your hair down. If you desire a quick and easy way to achieve a salon-smooth look and control frizz on the go, this product is perfect for you. What people say. The product has a sleek and modern design that fits well with contemporary decor. The build quality is excellent, with durable materials that feel premium to the touch. It offers a wide range of features that enhance its functionality and user experience. Number 2. SRILabs StyleQ Flat Iron. Meet the revolutionary StyleQ Flat Iron, designed to transform your hair. Experience advanced technology for salon-quality results at home. It features innovative red light therapy to promote hair health and vitality. This gentle treatment helps rejuvenate your strands with every use. Equipped with premium titanium and graphene plates, it ensures even heat distribution. Achieve smooth, sleek styles without snagging or pulling. Harness the power of negative ions to combat frizz and static. Enjoy beautifully smooth, shiny hair that feels as good as it looks. With 12 adjustable heat settings, you can customize your styling experience. Find the perfect temperature for your specific hair type and desired look. Its advanced design delivers frizz-free results, making it ideal for all hair types. Get effortlessly straight, polished hair every time you style. What we like. Get frizz-free, smooth hair with advanced styling technology. This straightener uses red light therapy, titanium plates, and graphene for optimal results. If you're seeking professional-level straightening that also promotes hair health and reduces frizz, this advanced flat iron is an excellent investment. What people say. The product is very easy to use and set up. It has a sleek and modern design that looks great in any room. The battery life is impressive, lasting for several days on a single charge. Number 1. Bellewood Designs Customizable Gun Cabinet. Introducing the Bellewood Designs Customizable Gun Cabinet. It's a unique way to secure your firearm while adding a touch of personalized art to your home. This wall-mounted safe is fully customizable. Have it engraved and hand-painted with any design you desire, making it truly one of a kind. With generous interior dimensions, it offers plenty of room for multiple pistols, extra magazines, a tactical flashlight, and pepper spray. The magnetic lock ensures your items are secured yet quickly accessible. You can rely on its performance every time. The foam insert is designed for easy modification without tools. Simply tear out the squares to perfectly fit your firearm and personal protection items. Everything you need for installation is included. Mounting hardware comes with your purchase, making setup a breeze. What we like. Secure your firearm discreetly with this personalized wall art. It offers ample space for pistols and accessories, secured by a reliable magnetic lock for quick access. If you need a stylish and secure way to store your handgun in plain sight, this customizable gun cabinet is an ideal solution. What people say. The product is very easy to use and set up. The design is sleek and modern, fitting well with my home decor. It has a variety of features that are very useful for everyday tasks. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.